everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this mouth-watering delicious stir-fried pasta. It is absolutely yummy and very easy to make, and trust me, if you follow this recipe to the T, you will come back with a testimony that is guaranteed. Yes, this recipe is that good. But first of all, I would like to thank every one of you for helping me reach 500 followers. I really do appreciate the love. Thanks so much for your likes and comments. I see them all and I'm so grateful. And if you haven't subscribed, please take some seconds to do that. Thank you. If you'd like to know how I made this, then please keep watching. So this is my ingredients and this is everything I'm going to be using, and that's plantain there. The plantain is already fried, and this pasta is something I really love. Like, I love the shape because it's in the shape of a bow tie, just for kids, and to have like a change of the look of your food. So this is my chicken stock. I added sesame oil to it just because I love the flavor. If you do not like it, you can skip or add any vegetable oil of your choice. And this is the pasta. This is the bow tie pasta. You on the instructions, it said that you should cook for 10 to 13 minutes, but I would say you should cook for 8 to 9 minutes because you would still stir fry it. If you want to stir fry it, you will still stir fry it, and it might be soggy. So that is a little bit of sesame oil in my fry pan again, and some diced onions. Allow the onions to fry so it will release its flavor to the oil. And I added my sausage, which is also called hot dog, depending on what you know it as. And I'm just going to keep stirring. That is why it is called stir fry. So I'm just going to keep stirring.
Can't imagine life without you by my side. Oh baby, alright, I just want you here forever. And this is me, and that is you.
So I kept on stirring. I wanted my hot dog to be well fried. You have to be very patient and keep stirring for your hot dog to be well fried, so it doesn't look like it's just fresh meat. You have to keep stirring, most especially this hot dog. You have to keep stirring until it is brown in color, until it looks fried, just like in this video. So I added my grated carrots, and I'm going to follow the same process I did with the sausage. Keep stir frying. Allow your carrots to fry a bit. Like I said earlier, if you follow this recipe to the T, you'll come back with a testimony that is guaranteed. Yes, it sure me rich like that. So just keep stir frying, keep stirring, keep stirring. If you do not you can see the amount of oil I put in the beginning. Do not put too much oil because you do not want your veggies to be soggy, and you do not want it to be don't want the oil to be too much. So just a little bit of oil, and if you need more oil, you can keep adding little by little. So I added my green pepper and red bell pepper, my sweet corn, and I'm still going to keep frying. And I also added my pepper. This is fresh pepper that was already boiled because I wanted it to be a little bit of a sauce. Do you get? So you can add in any other pepper that you have. Maybe it's black pepper, white pepper, powdered pepper, you know what I mean. Yeah, so this was what I had available at the moment, and just because I also wanted it to be kind of juicy, that was why I added this. But you can just still add anything that you have. So I added my fried plantain and stirred to make sure that everything was well distributed to the veggies. And I added my cabbage. There is no day I make use of anything veggies, and I do not add cabbage to it because I love the crunchiness that it gives. The feeling that it gives is just so, amazing. So I added my spring onions off camera. I'm so sorry about that. And this is all of the veggies, and I'm just going to stir everything together and add my boiled pasta into this. I would advise that when adding your pasta, make sure it is drained, like make sure the water is well drained and it is only the pasta. And add your pasta bit by bit, like you can divide it in three parts, and just add it bit by bit so that you'll be able to stir well, and all your veggies will be well, well incorporated, and everything will be evenly distributed. Not that you see pasta in one place and you see veggies in one place. It will be as a whole. Yeah, so this is the pasta. I'm so sorry I added my pasta off camera. I did so because I was using one and to hold my phone at the same time to also stir. It wasn't so easy as I could not find my stand, so please bear with me. So this is the finished look of my stir fry pasta. I served mine with chicken wings and boiled eggs. You can serve yours with anything that you have, be it meat, fish or anything. And again, you can even serve without anything, because I beg, it is not every time that there's protein to add to food. Sometimes, maybe not for everybody, but sometimes it may be like that. So whichever way it is, whichever way you find yourself, just enjoy your meal and relax, and live a day as it comes. So this is my tiger nut video and my juice video. I advise that if you want to know how to make tiger nut, like you really want to know how to make tiger nuts, watch my tiger nut video. You would really learn a lot from it. And this is my juice video. If you want to make juice for yourself and your family, you want to enjoy yourself, you want to be sipping, and enjoy your life, please click on my juice video. You would really learn a lot from it. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for the love. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video that you might like, because all I bring to this table is premium content only. So guys, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I get to post a video. Thank you so much. Bye. Take a sip.